Maybe I should just quit and go back to making noodles.
Quit, don't quit. Noodles, don't noodles. You are too concerned with what was and what will be. There's a saying, yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Now that you've gotten to the autumn of your years and you feel your best yet, and you found a turkey feather and you hung it like an amulet. So happy that you got to the bottom of the fears that were fettering you, and you found a round stone and you're wearing it around like a Jew. Doors big and loud, swinging wide open. In the wind, and you found a dead deer and you made it into moccasins. Overjoyed that you got into the flat spot in the field, and you're starting to feel that it's hearkening to something happening. Doors big and loud, swinging wide open. You found yourself, man, and that's something. So happy that you got to the bottom of it, the fears that were fettering you, and you found a round stone and you're wearing it around like a Jew.
Nice one.